everybody. Thanks for joining me on my channel today with Amy's Creative Acrylics. I'm Amy. Hello, hello. Sorry about the messy table. I'm trying to get some stuff done here. But today I'm going to do a pour on this 14 by 14 inch Artist Loft canvas, and I have Artist Loft Flow White on the bottom. And I'm going to use these Primal Flow acrylic pour painting. They're ready to pour paints that I got. I did a video once already with them, but this time I'm going to try them in and do my Shmear technique. I have all these pretty colors that I'm going to use, and yeah, so I'm going to do all these. I'm going to put them down and just see how well they work with doing the Shmear. So let's see, I think I'm going to start off with a little bit of red here. There's some colors that I don't normally use, so this is going to be kind of fun. Let's see, I'll put down a little bit of the white here. I love this color. Obsessed with it, actually. Alright, my Shmear color is Amsterdam's Titanium White. Alright, bring it down for a close-up. Look at how pretty those colors are. Got some awesome cells and lacing, and the colors are still really vibrant. Kind of funky. But, yeah. So we can get a good Primal Flow acrylic pouring paint. This one is Sea Foam. Got it too close there. Sea Foam. Got a mess. Bubblegum. Titanium White. Cranberry. Whoa, sorry, I almost dropped it. Lime Fizz. And this amazingly beautiful one, Regal Pearl. Love this one. It's beautiful. But I have to say, I really like these paints. They turned out pretty. It's pretty funky. But if you guys are interested in these paints, I'll put a link in the description. They're really good, ready to pour paints. So I've never used them before. This brand is the first one that I used. They reached out to me to see if I wanted to try them, and I was like, absolutely. Never tried ready to pour paints before, so I was pretty excited about that. Look at that cool cell right there. The little pink in the middle. This one's got a little purple with a little bit of blue in the middle. How cool. I think that's so cool when you get multiple colors in a cell like that. I think that's really funky. But yeah, check them out, you guys. They're really good paints, and they're reasonable. The prices are really reasonable. But I'll put a link in the description for them. Primal Flow paints. And I do thank everybody for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this fun video. Getting some funky stuff going on here. Some funky colors. But they are beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. And I do thank you guys for reaching out to me to try out your paints. I really like them. Really do. They're really fun. They're really good paints for... I think I have some left. I think I might do a dustpan pour or something like that with them. But yeah. But I do thank you guys for joining me. Like I said, I'll put the link in the description for Primal Flow paints. Primal Flow acrylic pouring paint. Love it. Love, love, love it. But have a good day, everybody. Have a good evening. I hope everybody is being healthy and safe. Yeah. And keep being creative. Bye.